Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for the Roborock Saros Z70. If you're interested in the Z70 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, let's go over the top of the vacuum and what you need to keep an eye on here. So we have our cover for the robotic arm. Just make sure that's wiped down and cleaned periodically. Same with this channel at the top for the navigational bumper. If there's any crumbs or debris that would prevent it from operating properly, remove those. We have some more cameras and sensors on the top back side here. Wipe those down accordingly, and that should be it for the top. The side tells a similar story. You have cameras and sensors on the front that you'll want to wipe down. Make sure they're free from dirt and dust. We have a star sight sensor on the back. We have our charging contacts and more sensors here with our water inlet, so make sure those are clean and free from any obstructions or clogs. Some venting there. This is where the contents come out for the self-empty, so you can periodically keep an eye on that. You can even reach in there and wipe down as needed. And then more sensors on the side. And then we're back to the very front. Looking at it from the bottom, you guessed it, more sensors we can wipe down here. We have our side brush. There is a Phillips head screw to remove that. We have our free flow main brush roller here. Detangle, clean, cutaway as needed. Wipe down in there. Easy to replace this as well, if desired. Or if it's really worn out or something like that. And then our mop pads, same thing. They're just on by magnets. So they just pop right out. Microfiber cloth, so you can replace these. You could throw these in your washer if you wanted even deeper clean or something like that. Very easy to clean and replace and take care of the Z70.
Mop mount installed.
And then internally, pop open this cover. That's going to reveal our dustbin. They have care and cleaning instructions right there on the dustbin itself. So you can wash and clean everything. Just make sure you give it plenty of time to dry. 24 hours letting it dry in the sun would be ideal. And from here, we can look at it from all different sides and angles. But basically, we can pop this open right here. That's going to reveal our filter inside. So again, we can clean that filter. We can clean in there. This just comes right out. So you can dust that off, a can of compressed air. Right, can breathe some new life into that, keeping it nice and clean. But you can get that wet if you want. You can rinse that out too. Very nice. So empty the contents, give that a nice wash and rinse every once in a while to breathe some new life into it. Let it dry for a day. And inside here, you can wipe that down if you ever notice any dirt or dust starting to accumulate. Really not much to it. Simple and straightforward to maintain the Roborock Saros Z70.